Welcome back to the mini-series Cooking Up the Season. This series highlights in-season foods found at local farmers markets, farm stands, and grocery stores. I am Regina Mosley, Family and Consumer Sciences Agent with North Carolina Cooperative Extension serving Nash and Edgecombe counties. Today, our focus is on summer squash. Squash are fat-free, sodium-free, cholesterol-free, low in calories, and high in vitamin C. Summer squash are in season in North Carolina during the months of June through September. When selecting summer squash, choose squash that are glossy, small to medium-sized, and heavy for their size. Store unwashed summer squash in a plastic bag in the refrigerator or in the produce drawer of the refrigerator for up to 5 days. To prepare squash, scrub squash gently in cold water. Trim both ends. Summer squash can be sliced, chopped, or cut into wedges. It is not necessary to peel summer squash. Squash can be eaten raw or cooked. Here is a simple recipe using summer squash. You will need 2 medium zucchini washed, 2 medium yellow squash washed, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1/2 cup fresh basil chopped, 2 tablespoons chopped fresh oregano, and 1/2 cup shredded Parmesan cheese. Using a vegetable peeler or a mandolin, peel the zucchini and yellow squash into ribbons and place the ribbons in a large bowl. In a small bowl, combine the oil, lemon juice, pepper, and garlic and mix well. Pour the oil mixture over the vegetables and stir until combined. Add the basil and oregano and toss to combine. Top the mixture with the Parmesan cheese and serve immediately. Thank you for participating in the 5th lesson of the Cooking Up the Season mini-series. For more information on summer squash, contact Regina Mosley at Regina_Mosley at ncsu.edu.